All right, there it is. Don't get scared. I know it looks a little bit complicated, but this is the exact funnel I would use to reach 100K months if I were to start from scratch all over again. And trust me, it's more simple than you might think at first. There's a few steps to this. If you'd rather click off this video because you want to watch a cat video, feel free to click off now. But for all the other people who are staying, I'm going to explain to you how you can reach 100K months within the next probably 3 to 4 months if you're starting from absolute scratch. Many people use this system to reach 50 to 100K months in this same time period. I'm still using this very same funnel to this day. Let me show you how. So there's a few steps to this and I'll explain. So number one, this section right here, and by the way, the whole thing is obviously a funnel. So here you can find the outreach, basically the client acquisition systems, right? So we have outbound, we have inbound, we have paid ads, and we have partnerships, right? Let me zoom in for you. So what are the differences? Obviously, right? Outbound is you reach out to people. Inbound is you have people coming to you, and paid ads, you pay money on platforms to get clicks. That's simple as that. And then we have partnerships, which really nobody talks about. You could, reference this or just say this is basically referrals. So these are really the all 4 methods you can get clients, which is the most reliable, which is the most I use, which is the best ROI. Obviously, there's debates on all of this, but by far best ROI is outbound for sure. Inbound is good, but it takes a lot of time. So it takes a lot of time for it to pay off. You need to build a personal brand. You need to build your self-authority. Obviously, there are some people who get lucky and, blow up on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, X, YouTube. It happens, but most times the people who are making the most money, you have absolutely no idea who they are, and they're doing outbound and paid ads. There's many companies that have only used outbound to grow to multi-million-dollar months, and paid ads had nothing to do with it. So the easiest way to do it, obviously, if you have a lot of money, is just do paid ads and go to platforms like Meta, Google, X, and then spend a lot of money to get a lot of money back. But this is really more if you have money to reinvest. Partners are great because you can get a lot of free traffic just by the connections that you have if you want to leverage these. All you need here is, again, just connections. I'm going to spell it out as connections, right? So let's start off with outbound, right? Outbound, you can do cold email, which is my kind of cup of tea. And then you have cold DMs, cold call, the other as well. Like you could put a lot of other strategies here. By far the best ROI 2026 is cold email. Why? Because simply, if you want to send like 1 million email a month, that's going to roughly cost you like a 1K, which is crazy. There's no other way which you can reach 1 million people for 1K besides cold email. So by far the best ROI. Cold DMs, I find most people are broke who reply on social medias because the people who have money, they don't check or they don't care about your pitch to begin with, right? It's mainly good for like coaches, agencies, if you're in that type of niche. But if you're in that type of niche, there's not much money to go around because everybody's trying to get your clients. Cold call is good. It's good. It's just hard. You need a lot of people to make a lot of volume with this. So generally, like one good person can do like $200-300 per day. If those are quality deals, it's just a limitation. Whereas with email, you can send easily, I would say lightly, but you can send 1 million emails per day or even more, like we are with cold emails, and just get crazy ROI on that. So with cold call, you cannot do it unless you have a team of like 100-200 people. And even then, you're not going to get close. So YouTube and LinkedIn and inbound is good. If you want to start all of this at once is what I would recommend. Focus on outbound, start inbound channels, and you're going to get yourself a little bit of authority by posting stuff on LinkedIn. You're going to get a ton of referrals. It just needs to, you need to select the platform where your ICP is active. For me, it's YouTube, X, and LinkedIn. Fortunately, I got banned on LinkedIn, but we're working on that. And also paid ads is really good for SaaS, etc. And also services as well. So gotta make sure you advertise where your clients are. For example, if you're doing SaaS, a lot of people are on X, and X is cheap. If you're doing services, Meta is good. If you want to do, SEO, YouTube ads, then you need to go to Google. So what you need to take away from this is obviously just, once you have your offer, by now you should have your offer, you should have picked a niche as well. So you need to focus on the money-making activities because inbound is going to take time. Outbound is pretty much instant. and paid ads as well. So you got to decide for yourself, like, can I afford to lose money by spending it on paid ads? If you cannot, just do more outbound. So now we basically just handle like the traffic part, right? So I would focus on outbound first and then come back to these later. Next, you need to funnel this somewhere. Obviously, you need to have your lead magnets, a product, a community newsletter, could be a webinar, could be a workshop, unique system or content, just a whole bunch of stuff. Most people, it's just a product, a service that you funnel these people into after they seen your lead magnet, right? Next is a landing page. So usually your product, your SaaS, they have a landing page. For example, we sell email infrastructure as well. It's not our main business, but we help our community with this. We obviously have the product, we have the landing page, you see this is that, and then you either track book calls like we do for enterprise offers, as well as the SaaS we're selling as well. We do have calls, because if you want to do large order, we need to discuss that. But you know, you could generally classify like most offers require a call or two, so that's absolutely fine. So what I want you to take away from this is, you know, this is a little bit of dynamic, but I try to make it flexible for kinds of offers. So let's just go with, you are booking online calls. If not, like, you could consider this like, for example, if you're selling like SaaS, you could say like, if you have a free trial consumed or not consumed, right? And then you could, if they don't consume the free trial or not, they're not booked, you need to put them on a nurturing system. And this is going to be true for all systems, all services, all products that you're selling. So you need to post free content. You need a free community, free masterclass, freebies, and social proof. This is really what gets people to buy free stuff, and also social proof. So you need to repeat this cycle until they feel compelled enough that like, hey, shit, I've seen this so many times. I've seen so many referrals. The community is great. I can ask questions, etc. And now I want to spend money there. So next thing is they come back, they book a call, they qualified. If they're not qualified, again, just make sure you give them more free stuff until they actually become qualified. And if they qualified, go visit them on a thank you page. If they book, again, make sure you have like a pre-call flow. And by the way, like, I know I'm going fast, but I have more detailed guides on all of this. If you don't know what a lead magnet is, if you don't know how to build a pre-call flow, I have videos on the channel, so feel free to watch those. So make sure, again, pre-call flow is just to make sure that they show up on the call. And then next is you want to have the sales call, right? And this is where you determine if you close or not close. Again, if they're not closed, you want to have a follow-up with the closer yourself, or just bring them back to your nurturing system. Simple as that. If they close, obviously, next step is getting them on your service or product, onboarding them. You have an onboarding flow, service delivery, and then I'm just dumbing down these, like super dummy. But the next step is obviously to make sure the client is happy. And if the client is happy, they're going to give you referrals. If you get referrals, you're going to get case studies, which you can leverage. You can get referral clients and video testimonials, which again, you can leverage. And you can use as lead magnets, the case studies you collected, the referrals you collected, the video testimonials you collected, you could use as lead magnets. Like, say, look, all these people are saying all this good stuff about me, right? So for example, one good example is obviously like Hyros. Like, Alex Becker created this software basically in secret. He introduced it to his inner circle. As you can see, Tony Robbins, Alex Hormozy, and a lot of famous people. The website changed a little bit, but the point was, he got a ton of social proof and case study. Also, number one, for the reason like he's famous to begin with, but also for the fact that all these famous people who are spending millions of dollars in ads were all vouching for him. And that was a huge lead magnet for him. Like, you don't want to get left behind if you're spending a lot of money on ads. You want to use Hyros. So that was a huge lead magnet for him. So you want to think like this. And that's the whole system, by the way. All right, now we've gone through the whole thing, and it's really quite simple to understand. Like, we have the traffic source, we have the products, the lead magnets, and we have a flow to get that customer converted. And then we have a nurturing system on the side. And then we have service, onboarding, and then using those happy clients. And that's it. That's really any business for you that you're running, you can apply this to. So hopefully you got some value out of this. If you have any questions on this, or if you want me to send you this exact chart, just message me on Discord or my WhatsApp. It's going to be in the description below, or shoot a DM to me on IG. I'll reply to you as well. And with that in mind, I'll see you in the next ones. Cheers.